Hi everyone, I'm Shweta Dikshit and welcome to Sudarshan World. Let's dive into today's top updates. We begin with Beijing, where President Donald Trump has arrived for a high-stakes meeting with Chinese counterpart, President Xi Jinping. The summit marks Trump's first visit to China since 2017 and arrives at a particularly sensitive political juncture. Accompanying the president is a delegation of prominent US business leaders including Elon Musk, Jensen Huang, as American companies push for progress on long-standing commercial and technological disputes. Following an elaborate welcome ceremony at the Great Hall of the People, the two leaders turned their focus toward the Iran conflict and the broader geopolitical tensions currently defining the relationship between the world's two largest economies. Regarding the situation in the Middle East, US Vice President J.D. Vance stated on Wednesday that efforts to pursue peace talks with Iran are ongoing, despite what he described as a series of unsatisfying responses from Tehran in recent weeks. Vance emphasized that negotiators remain steadfast in their primary objective of ensuring Iran does not acquire a nuclear weapon. Turning to domestic diplomatic efforts, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met today with the foreign ministers attending the BRICS gathering in New Delhi. High-ranking officials, including Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi, and South African Foreign Minister Ronald Lamola, called on the Prime Minister on the sidelines of the summit. Dr. Jaishankar expressed his gratitude to the participating nations for their presence and their continued commitment to strengthening cooperation within the BRICS framework. Let's move ahead. Meanwhile, the conflict in Ukraine escalated early Thursday morning as Kyiv came under a massive aerial assault. Explosions rang out across the capital as Russia launched a wave of drones and ballistic missiles in what local officials described as a heavy enemy attack. Looking ahead, Prime Minister Modi is set to embark on a 6-day 5-nation diplomatic tour beginning May 15. Running through May 20, 2026, the tour will focus on strengthening strategic partnership, trade and energy cooperation across Italy, Norway, Netherlands, Sweden and the UAE. That's all for today, guys. Stay connected with Sudarshan World for more news updates.